Welcome back to another video, and today we're going to be doing a backwoods forest, which we just unlocked it. We're going to be practicing how to build a fence or just defense in the game. Now before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe and help us get to 1,000 subscribers so we can do many giveaways for you guys. And let's get into the video. So we're going to go to defense of plain woods, and we're just going to practice how to actually put down defenses, because that's what we learned right before we actually defeated the last level to actually move on. So we're just going to actually just practice defense. So you can tell that, let me just take that off because I don't want that on there. Let's take this off. So right here we have to actually protect all the villagers by placing down fences, and that's it. Just technically defending them by placing down fences so the ogres don't come in and start taking them out. So how you do that is when you type in hero dot build, right? You're gonna have two different types. You're gonna have hero dot build types. You're gonna have hero dot build xy's. For the fences, you want to put in hero.buildxy, and it's going to pop up, parentheses, then in parentheses, in quotations, fence, and then it's going to have the coordinates. Now, if it doesn't pop up for you like that, then you will actually put in parentheses, right? You'll put in quotations, fence, so it actually builds the fence. Then you close that off, and then you put a comma. Then you have to put in the actual coordinates for the fence that you want to place and where you want to place it. So for here, we want to place a fence right at this 40 and 52. X is 40, so you want to always put X first. So you put 40. You don't have to put the X or I think it's Y. Yeah, you don't have to put the X or the Y. You just have to put the number in. So you want to put in 40, and then you want to put 52. And it has to be like this, because then if you don't put it in the right order, X then Y, then you will get it's going to place down a fence in a different area. So you could tell there's two areas to this, and one area we already placed down a fence, right? We're going to place down a fence right here because we just built that. Now we had to do another one, so we had to place a fence at 40 and 20. So you want to go in, click, then you type in hero.build, and then you capital X and capital Y. So after you do that, put into parentheses, put in quotations, fence, close that off with another quotation, then you want to put a comma, find the coordinates, so you want to hover your mouse over the X, and then you will find the coordinates X and Y. When you find that, you want to put in 40, then you want to put in 20. Or I'm looking at the one for me, so you want to put in 40, 20, right? That's how mine is. And after you put in that, the character should go build a defense barrier or barricade or just a regular fence to block off the enemies. So we run this, and we're going to see what happens. See where it placed it. It ran the code, and it looks for the exact coordinates to where it will place down the fence. So that's how you actually build a fence in the game. And this is Encrypt-Decrypt. And I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.